Samsung is going to update the cameras on Z Flip 5 and it's finally confirmed. All of the previous rumors and leaks, we are not expecting to get some good news regarding the Galaxy Z Flip 5 cameras, but it seems like we found something new which will give you hope for the cameras of Galaxy Z Flip 5. And yes, the camera lenses are different than what they used in the Galaxy Z Flip 4. Last year, Flip 4 came out with the 12MP main shooter and 12MP ultra wide, and it was rumored before that Flip 5 is also going to feature the same 12MP main shooter and 12MP ultra wide, but it's not. The sensors are bigger and better than the previous generation. Although the numbers will be same, but Samsung will going to use the new sensors on the Flip 5. As per Anthony, with the updated sensor, new software and hardware, it will bring improved camera system on the Flip 5. Obviously, you cannot compare this with the Galaxy S23 Ultra 200MP, but it will be better than the previous generation. And we can hope it will be better than the Motorola Razr 40 Ultra. Along with the new cameras, Samsung is going to update the storage options on the Z Flip 5. As per Anthony, we're going to get a 256GB version and 512GB version. There will be no 128GB version. Now, it is safe to say Samsung is going to put a faster storage option in the Flip 5, as Samsung has an option for the UFS 4.0 on both 256GB and 512GB. Along with this, there are some crazy price details of a Z Flip 5, and now this is a bad news for the ones who lived in European region, as Samsung is going to increase the price on Flip 5. According to the source, and the leaked price for the Greece is at €1299, which is a lot more than the previous generation. Just for reference, Galaxy Z Flip 4 costed €1099. So better have a plan before buying the Galaxy Z Flip 5. But if you are living in other countries including United States, you shouldn't be worried, as some sources do claim that we are going to see the same price as last year. Due to the price hike, Samsung is going to offer some great priority deals on Flip 5. If you reserve now, you can get $50 Samsung credit, and in some regions, Samsung is going to offer double storage option for the base model of Flip 5, which means you will pay for 256GB, but you will get 512GB. Samsung is going to offer some exclusive feature on the Galaxy Z Flip 5, and one of the most awaited feature that you guys were waiting is coming. Samsung DeX is now available on the Flip 5, and by getting a new and a better cover display, which is the biggest update this year, Samsung is going to collab with Google to optimize Google apps on the external display, where now you can run Google Maps, YouTube, and other Google apps on cover display. Just for reference, Flip 5 is going to come with a 3.4 inches cover display. There are some rumors claims that Flip 5 is going to come with only 60Hz refresh rate on cover display, which is a big downside. Since it is a bigger display, it should be 120Hz. Although if it is 60Hz, then the battery life will be great if you use the cover display on the Flip 5. Samsung is going to launch Flip 5 on July 26, 7 AM Eastern Time, and if you reserve now, you can get $50 Samsung credit. With that said, if you are going to get a Flip 5, then you should watch this video on top 5 features of Flip 5. And if you enjoyed the content, take a moment to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.